Ayo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another insane, fantastical, lackadaisical, good, bad, ugly, or otherwise episode of Linus Erics TV. After a super long drought in which I mostly stared at my ceiling and considered recording, and then didn't because I thought about editing the video and then recording it and then doing all this other stuff, and I just didn't end up recording it. But we are back with a brand new project that is gonna blow you guys away, but not so far away that you can't push that subscribe button. See what I did there? But in all seriousness, the reason we haven't been around is because, as I always say, we've been working on doing some things. I don't want to get too specific. I'll tell you why in a minute, but you may notice no lights. No, it's a little darker in here. We just got the overheads going on. The nice studio lights make me look fantastic. And you might have to guess as to why that is, but I'm not going to tell you. I will reveal what has been going on for the past, feels like 2 months. Either at the beginning of season 2, or if we pass like 100 subs by the end of season 1, which is like realistically not going to happen. But you know, 45 subs, get that fire up in here. Fire episode, want to see that. And you know, we hit 100 before that, I'll show it early. Either way, just subscribe. But today, we're bringing you some of those secret spy gadgets that you have been wanting. Or maybe not, I just do what I want. I don't really listen to you guys. So you remember that microphone I got for the Edith glasses video? Remember how it didn't work? Well, I've had it for a really long time, just collecting dust back over there. It seemed a shame not to use it, so I pulled it out and I was thinking, what could I make with this that would be really cool? And I decided on a secret listening recording microphone. We'll workshop the name later. So the first thing that everyone always thinks of is the bow tie. Going to a fancy party, dressed with your tuxedo, got the camera, microphone, bow tie. So yeah, originally I was going to put this microphone inside of a bow tie. So before we even get to any of that hardware stuff, we just need to confirm what this microphone can do. So I ran like 3 or 4 tests, and basically we're limited to audio functionality moving in video, and like audio recordings, like voice memos, also being controlled by the microphone. Yeah, it definitely doesn't seem like a lot of functionality, but we can still use that. So I stripped it down to just circuitry, and now it's time to put it inside of the bow tie. So the first thing I tried was just making a bow tie out of duct tape.
A few moments later.
Yeah, fine. Well, let's just get a normal tie-on bow tie. Turns out you actually have to have quite a bit of skill to tie a bow tie, which I do not have. So I know you guys are all thinking, why doesn't he just buy a clip-on bow tie? So firstly, I've actually been thinking about this a lot. Doing build videos is actually really expensive, and I have to spend a lot of money just getting the materials I need to bring you guys good content, which I'm totally down to do. But I just have a lot of other interests and ideas that I would rather do that don't involve building stuff, and all cost a lot of money because I'm living in America in 2025. So obviously it's going to cost a lot of money. So looking at bow tie prices, I was thinking I would need to get at least 3 or 4 for trial and error parts, which was around $15. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but when you're spending all this money on YouTube that's already been planned out for the extra projects that you're going to do, it is a lot more than you would think. And the second reason, bow ties don't actually blend in that well. If you think about it, the only way you're ever going to get away with using this microphone is if you're at like a formal event. Like if you're just walking down the street, people are going to like know something's up because you're wearing like a t-shirt and a bow tie. People are going to think you're weird. So I was just kind of trying to think about what things we could put this in to make it a little more incognito. Then I decided, why not just put it in a shirt? The electronics are small enough, it should fit with no problem. So I tried putting it in a shirt. And it actually works, which is fantastic. And so now we have our microphone inside the shirt. But just one more thing I wanted to do was add a receiver earpiece. So if we ever want to like listen to the recording that we took back and people were like around, we just slip it out of our pocket, put it up to our ear, and then just hear it and nobody else would. So for that, I got a pair of these sleek looking black earbuds. And then I 3D printed this cool lightning earpiece like from the Flash. And so essentially what I did was just basically mount the earpiece inside of this. So now we can just slip it out of our pocket, real nice and smooth. And just hold it up to our ear, connect it to your secret spy microphone, and then nobody else can hear the recording. This is definitely something Cisco or one of the guys at Star Labs would have hooked up. Nerd. So yeah, I mean, there you have it. Super secret spy microphone. But you know, obviously, I'm not gonna take my word for it, right? You know what's coming up. Drum roll, please. A absolutely no context, pointless, but cool montage. Let's hit it. shirt on, normal ordinary shirt. See this piece here? This piece goes in your cell phone, just like so. You know it's on when the green light here stops blinking. Signs we're connected. So we can just do a quick test by pressing down there, and you can see like tap the microphone. Stop it. Like tap the front of the microphone, like the audio just spikes. So now what we can do, let's say we're going on a secret undercover mission. Take out our Bluetooth earpiece, just put it in our ear, just like so. And it works. We can just hear it. So yeah, pretty cool, right? Definitely incognito. Nobody's gonna notice you wearing this. And you could still pair it with like the camera bow tie. Save that one for next time maybe. But anyway, I think that's it. So remember, like, subscribe. Definitely gonna beat Intrepid and Bold this year. I can feel it. Almost at 45. I can taste it. Maybe not taste it. Thank you guys very much for watching. This has been Linus with Linus Rx TV saying, keep on being awesome. Peace.